Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video, an update on GALA. We'll do a full update on that, also incorporating a little bit of Elliott wave theory, or at least I played around with that quite a bit. I have certain ideas, but they don't align fully. So we'll just start with my normal analysis style, but we'll do a full update on GALA. The GALA halving is coming up. Historically, this was July the 22nd. Now this is when the total supply reaches more than 25 billion tokens, which is, I mean, if you would believe CoinMarketCap, right now we're at a total supply of around 21.6 billion tokens. If you believe Masari.io, which is, I think, a better source, you would say that we are at $24.38 billion tokens. So that is a heck of a lot closer. And I think this is a better source. But that means that the halving is coming up at some point of time. I mean, right now it's still probably going to take some time. I mean, a halving in a matter of a month went up about 15 or 150 million tokens. So it's still going to take some time. It does depend on network activity too, though. But I just wanted to talk about that a bit before we dive into that, though. If you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, like you can also see from the top right there. But now onto GALA. So first of all, if we take a look at the technicals, we've actually displayed some bullish momentum for the first time in quite a while now. And you can also see that some sort of an interesting market structure is forming right now. We have this bearish momentum, which you could actually draw in two certain ways. Like you could do it more on the short term, which would mean we actually had another bullish breakout or a bigger bullish breakout, or we are going to get that because this candle is a little bit contested whether that breaks above the trend line, but altogether the stronger trend line is coming from up there. So that creates some sort of an interesting structure where we have this bullish momentum, which has actually been respected, and this bearish momentum, and that creates some sort of a triangle. And now it's the big test if we can actually continue to push that bullish momentum, or whether that bearish momentum is going to push us through. If we take a look at some sort of an Elliott wave theory, which there's no ideal Elliott wave theory to draw right now, you could do something like this, right? So that we actually had 5 waves up to this point right here, and that right now you could argue that we are in some sort of a correction wave, which would mean that we are going to get another low down to, for example, 2.1 cents. But I don't really see that coming with the bullish momentum we're seeing right now from GALA. Like we're heading into a resistance level right here. That is true, but with the general bullish momentum in the markets, I don't think that resistance is going to push us all the way through down towards 2.1 and 2.15 cents. And so yeah, and overall you can also take a look at it like this, right? So that we actually had some sort of a 5-wave pattern right here, and that we, oh excuse me, that's a correction. So this is the daily time frame, that we had some sort of a pattern right here. Not really, I mean, you could say it's this, right? And that we went all the way down here, even though, I mean, this is also ugly. It doesn't work that well. You could do something like this. Like I said, I played around with this. It's not really fitting onto the chart that much. Like the best thing you could say is something like this, and then that we are in a correction wave right now. So that would mean that we are actually going higher from here and going up to, for example, 3 cents. So we'll still have to wait what kind of plays out here. I would say on the short term, we're actually going to find some resistance around this area, around 0.0253. That's our main resistance right here. And I would say that from there we would need to get some confirmation. I think the most likely scenario is that we can actually hold that 2.45 cents level and continue up to 2.6 cents with the potential to actually break above that as well and head up towards that 2.75 cents level. And perhaps then we can actually confirm some sort of a move up to 3 cents and that this is some sort of a correction wave. It's a possibility, but for the short term, I would say this is the most likely scenario, and then from there we'll see. We'll get some more confirmation from GALA. We'll get some more confirmation from the market. From there, we'll see where we're going. But that's my take on GALA for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.